Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring investments on Robinhood. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to set up to actually buy a certain stock every week or every month. Either way, guys, this is going to be pretty simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, so be sure to watch all the way until the end. Now let's first access our Robinhood app here. And then from this page, you want to click on the bottom right hand side, click on the icon that looks like a person. Now on the upper left hand side, click on the hamburger icon. And then from here, you want to click on investing. So we're almost done, guys. Go ahead and scroll down to where it says view recurring investments. So as you can see under recurring investments, I have 0 active, 0 pause. So I haven't actually set this up yet. We're going to click on create recurring investment. So from here, you could actually use the search bar to find stocks and ETFs, which you want to buy on a weekly or monthly basis. So we're just going to do the example of setting up a recurring investment for Apple. So once you click on the Apple stock or any other stock, it's just going to show you some data behind that stock. Click on add to basket. Next, you want to click on continue. So now this is where you choose the frequency as far as you could actually go ahead and buy every market day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month. Go ahead and set your frequency. So for our example, I'm going to choose every month. And then this is where you enter how many shares of the stock that you want to buy. So we'll just buy $20 of Apple every month. Then click on continue. Now here is where you're going to choose the payment method. Normally this would be your bank account, but if you have enough buying power, you could actually just select that as well. But then the next thing you would do was just click on continue. So they're not going to follow through with this, guys, just because the other prompts are pretty self-explanatory as far as how to actually go ahead and set up a recurring investment goes. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone.